Hey, Kyle here with Maple Systems. Welcome to another Maple Systems video training series. Hey there, in this video, we're going to cover how to configure Alarms and Syslog for effective network monitoring using a Maple Systems Lite-Managed industrial network switch within the Maple Link Lite user interface. The function of an alarm in industrial network switches is to detect and alert operators to abnormal operating conditions that could affect network performance or system reliability. So it monitors critical conditions. Alarms track key hardware and network parameters such as power supply status, link failures, overheating, or port errors. It provides immediate alerts, so when a fault occurs, the switch triggers an alarm output, which can be a visual indicator, a relay contact, or signal, to notify operators or connected monitoring systems like SCADA or SNMP. It also prevents downtime, so early detection of faults allows maintenance teams to respond quickly, often before communication or process control is interrupted. It integrates with other systems as well, so alarm signals can activate sirens, lights, or send alerts to centralized management tools for remote monitoring. So, in short, alarms on industrial switches act as an early warning system, helping ensure continuous network operation and faster troubleshooting in critical environments. The function of a syslog is to record, manage, and centralize system event messages. So this is from network devices such as switches, routers, and servers. It serves as a key tool for monitoring, troubleshooting, and maintaining the health of an industrial or enterprise network. Here's what a syslog does. It collects system events. The syslog gathers logs about system activities, errors, warnings, and configuration changes from devices across the network. It centralizes log storage. It sends these logs to a syslog server, where messages from multiple devices are stored and organized for easy review. It supports event analysis. Administrators can analyze logs to detect issues, security events, or performance trends. It helps with troubleshooting. When a problem occurs, such as a port failure or power loss, syslog records the exact time and details, making diagnosis faster. It ensures accountability, so the logs serve as an audit trail for compliance and maintenance tracking. So in short, syslog provides a detailed record of what's happening on your network, enabling proactive monitoring, faster response to faults, and long-term operational visibility. On the Maple Systems Lite-Managed industrial network switches, so there are two Lite-Managed network switches. So here's the MS1 L05G01F. Alarms can be configured using the built-in dip switch with both power, PWR, and redundant power supply, RPS. When these options are enabled, the switch can detect power interruptions or faults. When triggered, it can send alerts to operators or activate external warning systems, helping teams respond before a failure escalates. Same thing for the MS1 L08G. It offers the same hardware alarm functionality. It has an alarm dip switch located here. So by turning on the power and redundant power system, PWR and RPS dip switches, users ensure that any power irregularities such as voltage drops or redundant supply failures are detected immediately. This configuration adds a layer of protection for critical systems when uninterrupted operation is essential. Now let's log into Maple Link Lite. So I am connected to the Lite-Managed switch, the MS1 L08G. To find the alarm and syslog diagnostic configurations, you can go over to the left side, click diagnostic, and then select alarm. So if you take a look at the alarm information, the alarm status, and then the alarm reasons. So the alarm status, this field indicates if there are any alarm events, and then the alarm reasons, this field displays all of the detailed alarm events. Now the dip switch settings, like I just showed on the dip switch, if you have the PWR enabled in the dip switch, you'll see enabled here. In the RPS, the redundant power system, if that's enabled on the dip switch, you'll see that enabled here as well. And if you don't, you'll see the status disabled. Now let's go over to syslog. So here are your syslog settings. So server IP, here is where you would enter the syslog server IP address. Then you would select enable to activate the switch sent log message to the syslog server when any new log message occurs. Then of course you would hit apply, and then down here where it says syslog log level, you can either select all or you can select alert, critical, error, warning, notice, or informational. So you can choose which log message you want to see. And then you can see all the messages down here. You're gonna scroll down. So I can go here and choose alert, show, and that shows you that alert. You can also go to critical if there was any critical, which there is no data, and select error, click show, no data, warning, show. So here are some warnings. Now, if you want to clear these, you can just click clear. It says, are you sure? Hit OK. And it says no data. So now let's go take a look at a real life scenario on a water treatment plant. Let's take a look at a real world example. So in a water treatment plant, network control systems manage pumps, sensors, and valves that ensure clean water delivery. One day, a backup power unit began fluctuating due to an internal fault. The switch's alarm detected the irregular voltage instantly, alerting operators before the fault could cause a pump shutdown. At the same time, the Syslog recorded every power event, providing detailed insight into when and how the fault occurred. How Alarms and Syslog prevent downtime. So on the dip switch, if you have the power and RPS enabled, when the alarm is triggered and if the main power supply is disconnected, you have a fault detection. So the main power failure is detected by the alarm system on the industrial network switch. The SCADA shows a flashing red alert at the pump station and triggers an audible siren in the control room. The Syslog is enabled and logs the power failure both locally and to the plant's central Syslog server. And then as a maintenance response, the maintenance team receives an instant mobile notification about the power fault. So the outcome and key takeaways here, in the end, the combination of Alarms and Syslog prevented an outage and ensured the plant continued running smoothly. So the alarms provided the instant notification, while Syslog supplied the data needed for analysis and long-term reliability. So together, they form a complete monitoring solution, offering both immediate visibility and historical insight for proactive maintenance and system stability. Well, that wraps up everything today. To get more information, you can visit the How to Configure Alarms and Syslog for Effective Network Monitoring tutorial page. You can also visit the Maple Systems Industrial Network Switches page, and this can all be found on the Maple Systems website. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.